must be knowledgeable about his kingdom. Rises early.
Oh, it's too early.
Is compassionate, patient, cautious, clean. And above all, a prince strives for redemption.
Good morning, Mr. Bossy.
Hello.
I died a little bit inside. I lay in tears in bed all night, alone without you by my side. But if you loved me, why'd you leave me? Take my body, take my body. All I want is, and all I need is to find somebody. I'll find somebody like you. So you brought out the best of me, a part of me.
What I do out of love.
You took my soul
the
and
pride of
wiped it clean. Our love was
Queen Elsa of Arendelle.
But if you loved me, why'd you
Should I know you?
She's a suitor for your betrothal.
Take my body. All I want is, and all I need is to find somebody. I'll find somebody.
Why did you do this?
It's marriage, it's not the end of the world.
Look, we're not getting married.
I would advise you to make your peace with this.
Can you not hear me?
Oh, you're acting like a child.
Why would he like you? Come on now, really? Look at you! You think that he's impressed? He's a prince.
Take my body. All I want is, and all I need is to find somebody. I'll find somebody.